Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we have a very short unboxing video. I bought some bars from Germania Mint. Wanted to share with you. I already opened the boxes, but usually Germania Mint send the bars or the coins in a really well wrapped cardboard boxes like this to prevent any kind of shipping issues. So the first bar I have here is a 100 gram bar. One interesting thing and unique thing about Germania Mint that they do package each single bar in this paper package, this carton, small carton, and it's really very well made and looks really elegant. So this is the bar here. As you can see here, the bar itself is shrink wrapped with this watermark to prevent any kind of counterfeiting. And the bar itself looks very nice. It has Germania Mint stamp here or emboss, and this is fine silver and 999.9, and weight, which is 100 gram. And last but not least, a serial number here, which is something very unique to find a serial number for lower denomination like the 100 gram. I know a lot of mints, they start adding the serial number starting from 1 kilos bar. So this is really nice to have this serial number even in the lower denomination, which is 100 gram. So this is the first one, the 100 gram bars. I also bought some of this 1 ounce bar, and this is Odin version, and this is a collaboration between the Royal Mint and Germania Mint. You can see here, this is the Royal Mint mark, so original maker, and the Germania Mint at the bottom. And here is Odin, and even this bar looks very nice, very nice, detailed, really amazing. And on the other side, you can see here the Royal Mint mark here, 1 ounce, 999.9 fine silver. It's really nice. I also bought a bunch of this one, the Royal Mint. This is the Thor version. It's very nice Thor with his hammer. You see Thor here. And this also a collaboration between Royal Mint and Germania Mint. And the weight here, 1 ounce, 1 troy ounce, and alloy 99.9 fine silver. In the back, the Royal Mint 1 ounce, 999.9, and fine silver. It's really nice bar. Last but not least, I also bought 2 of this. This is something very interesting Germania Mint produce. These are cast 1 ounce silver. It's wrapped in a box, and in the box here, let me show you. See this? Very interesting. Here you can see fine silver, 1 ounce. Very nice. And this is a certificate of authenticity. And this is the explanation. Say brings calm and mental clarity, strengthen emotional and spiritual resilience, support conscious decision making, and protects during times of standstill. And this is just limited for 2,500 pieces. Well, it looks nice. Looks very unique. Germania Mint is really unique for its design like this and high quality. Very interesting. So that's the video for today. Just wanted to show with you this Germania Mint products. If you are interested, or if you bought Germania Mint products, please let me know. And if you're interested to see any of Germania Mint product, please do let me know in the comment. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very good day.